Trello revolutionizes digital marketing by offering a visual work management system. It uses boards, lists, and cards to simplify complex projects, making it easy to track progress. Marketing teams globally trust Trello for planning campaigns, managing content pipelines, and enhancing collaboration. Its adaptable workflow supports various marketing needs, from social media to product launches. Trello revolutionizes marketing with its visual work management system, using boards, lists, and cards to simplify complex projects. It's a global favorite among marketers for planning campaigns, managing content pipelines, and enhancing team collaboration. Its adaptable workflow system supports diverse marketing needs, from social media to product launches, ensuring seamless execution. Trello's core components, boards, lists, and cards, form the backbone of its project management system. Boards act as project hubs, lists define workflow stages, and cards represent individual tasks. The drag-and-drop functionality allows seamless movement of cards between lists, offering real-time visual updates on project progress and task status. A Trello marketing board visually organizes content with weekly lists and cards for each piece. Color-coded labels differentiate content types, while due dates and team member avatars ensure clarity in task assignments. This setup enhances progress tracking across workflow stages, making it easier to manage and execute marketing strategies efficiently. Trello enhances marketing collaboration by allowing direct task assignments, ensuring clear ownership and accountability. Real-time communication is facilitated through card comments and at mentions, reducing email overload. Centralized asset management consolidates all campaign assets and documentation, streamlining workflows and ensuring every team member is aware of priorities, deadlines, and dependencies. Organize your content calendar in Trello by creating lists for each month, week, or campaign period. Use color-coded labels to differentiate content types: blogs in blue, social media in green, videos in red, and emails in yellow. Set deadlines and reminders to ensure timely publication and maintain consistent audience engagement. Trello's content calendar workflow begins with capturing and evaluating ideas. Writers draft initial versions, followed by editorial review and approval. Once scheduled, content is queued for publication. Finally, content goes live, and performance is tracked. Trello's drag-and-drop and notification features ensure seamless transitions and synchronization across stages, preventing any oversight in the content production process. Utilize Trello for social media marketing by creating platform-specific boards for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Design comprehensive postcards with checklists for captions, hashtags, and image specs. Use a unified scheduling hub to manage posts, track engagement metrics, and ensure consistent brand presence across platforms. Search engine optimization campaign management with Trello involves using dedicated boards for keyword discovery, search volume analysis, and competition assessment. On-page search engine optimization tasks are organized into cards for meta descriptions, title tags, and internal linking. Backlink outreach is tracked for target URLs and response rates. Performance tracking ensures timely search engine optimization audits and content updates for continuous optimization. Trello cards streamline search engine optimization management by embedding keyword research spreadsheets, tracking target URLs, and current rankings. Detailed optimization checklists with progress indicators ensure task clarity. Assignments and due dates are clearly defined, while comment threads facilitate collaboration. This centralized approach enhances workflow efficiency, maintaining organization and clarity in complex search engine optimization projects. Integrating Trello with tools like Google Drive and Slack enhances marketing productivity. Use Butler automation to streamline workflows, automate card movements, set reminders, and assign tasks. For instance, once checklist items are done, cards move to review and notify managers. This automation reduces manual tasks, freeing teams to focus on strategy and content quality. SwagUp's journey with Trello showcases how a small team can achieve multi-million-dollar success. By automating workflows and standardizing processes, they eliminated bottlenecks and enhanced communication. This strategic use of Trello facilitated their rapid expansion, proving that effective project management tools are crucial for sustainable growth in dynamic business environments. Trello offers diverse pricing plans tailored for marketing teams. The free plan supports up to 10 members with basic features. The standard plan, at $6 per user monthly, includes unlimited boards and advanced checklists. Premium, at $12, adds AI features and multiple views. Enterprise provides custom pricing with enhanced security and dedicated support for large organizations. Utilize Trello's template library to streamline marketing workflows, saving time and integrating best practices. Implement a consistent label system for efficient task identification. Maintain boards by archiving completed cards weekly to enhance focus. Encourage transparency by centralizing communication within cards. Ensure team buy-in with training sessions and clear conventions for effective Trello adoption. Trello transforms marketing workflows by making them visual, collaborative, and manageable. Start a free trial to revolutionize campaign planning and content management. Access expert resources at trello.com/marketing for templates, tutorials, and tips. Join thousands of teams who trust Trello to streamline workflows and deliver exceptional results. Explore marketing templates to get started.